Mapayaw. Oy! Umilalim pa! May gawin yan! Bobby! System, Mapayaw. Basketball move. Basket for two. Bawi. Mark. Manny. Baidan. Kinauy. Gandang balik. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa semifinals ng Karaamit 2024 para sa laban ng Apayao at Tabuk. It's a jump ball, De La Cruz versus number 15. Ball possession first for Team Tabuk. Titira first blood. Palibot. And here's Baligod. Gandang pasa and ang finish. Back to back 2 points for Team Tabuk. Side step, floater, wala, put back shot. Wala, in and out. And here's Baligod, pass break. Matatapikan dito at makakagaw. Chance ng Team Douglas sa Apayao. And here's number 6. 15 fouls, basket and one. And here's Bayog attacking the rim, fires off the window, basket for 2. Pass break na yun. Stop. Pass back sa 3. Air ball. Here's Baligod. Binit beat. Kick it there inside. Five. Basket and one again. Here's Bayog. Dribbling the ball. Kick it out. Baligod. Number 22 attacking the basket and fire. Rebound. Here's Team Apayao. Number 14 fake. Oy! Umilalim pa! Grabe. Ano yun? Acrobatic. Circus yun mga idol. And here's Bayog. Sa gilid, for 2. Oh, the Henry roll. Hook, matatapikan. Number 1, kick it out. Bayog, didiskarte, diretso, the window, basket for 2. Matatapikan. Baligod for 2. And here's Bayog. Pass to number 16, Baligod. Mabibitawan ng bola, recover, kick it out. Number 2, long 2. Bola mapupunta sa Team Apayao. Maaagaw, Baligod. Easy basket. Fires off the glass. Basket for 2. For the inbound, Baligod for 3. Won't go. Battle for rebound. Number 22. Put back shot. Wala pa rin. Is put back and the basket for 2. Pupunta sa Team Apayao. Pass it tumutulot. Natulot. Number 30. Sa gilid. Asinta sa 3. Bam! 3 points. And here's for the inbound. Bounce pass number 16 sa 3. Wala. Rebound matulot. Number 14. Sa 3 ulit. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Number 16. Spin move. Fires. Basket for 2. Big. 2. Pull-up J. Battle for rebound. Fires. Bani. Mundo. Finish Matulot. Sa gilid. Open for 3. Bam! 3 points. For the inbound. Up your up. Cook. Pinasa. Oh! Pilipino mo! Boy! Nice move, bye! For 3. Wala. Rebound. Matulot sa gitna. Baidan. Pinagpasipan. Ginipit. Oh! Basket for 2. Baligod. And it's Baidan. Pass back Baidan. Number 1, Matulot. Number 14, Matulot. Sa 3. Wala, Tusko. Rebound, number 16, Baidan. Sa 3. Baligod. Sa gilid. Mundo. Mundo! 2 points. Baidan, babawi. Fires, Manny. Baidan. And here's Bayog. Bayog. Pass inside. Gandang deliver noon. Patok yan. And it's number 30 to Baidan. Pass back. Di diskarte. Sa gitna, asking for a pick. Stop. Pass to the middle. 1 dribble, maagawan ni Baligod. Pass break ngayon. Sakto yung pasa. And a basket for 2. Baidan. Take. Out. Oh, butatang inabot. And it's number 14. Aspile for 3. Rainbow shot, wala. Rebound Baidan. Putback shot of the glass. Basket for 2. Baligod. Baligod. Crossover. Attacking the rim. Pinilit. Tinira. Battle for rebound. Mundo nandun. Pinasa pa. At nag-iisa. Baidan. Easy basket. And here's for the inbound. Bayog looking for a receiver. Pass to number 15. Pull up J. Manny. Pass back, number 11, Baidan. Pass to number 1. Sa 3, wala. Battle for rebound, put back shot, and basket and 1. Oh, basket and 1 again. Baligod. Baligod, di diskarte sa 2. Manny, pull up J, Baligod. Pass break ngayon. Bumangga bag for 2. Then, pass break. Baidan. Cook. Put back shot. Basket for 2. Baligod. Pass sa gilid. Cook. Sa gitna. Open for 3. Bam! 3 points. Baidan. Pass the bounce pass inside. Aspili. Sa 3. Wala. Oh, umiikot pa. Pasok yan. And here's Baidan. Behind the back. Dribble. Chest pass. Aspili for 3. Air ball. And there inside. Kumabitin. Pasok yan. Here's Baidan. Spins. Oh, libreng-libre! Pili. Bayog passes there. Baligod, binawi. Uy, gandang balik. And it's number 30. Pass back number 30. Pass feeling. Number 30. Inside pass, water. Put back shot. Also. Pasok yan. Basket for 2. Number 30. To number 14, Aspili, side step. Oh, hook shot. Aspili. Baligod. Kick out. Side step, down dito. Hook. Long 2. Basket for 2. Rebound. Raymundo. Kick out sa field. Bam!
16, Euro step, walang ginagawa.
Kick out.
Number 9, jump shot, number 2. Score, 51-14.
Babawi, basket. And his team, Tabu. Baligod. Jay Longpo, Mani. Baligod. Bam! Ashley.
3 points. Again, number 16 of Taguig City sa the play. Left corner. Number 9. Long pass. Outside pass. Number 20.
Basket for 2 again. Bausan, bounce pass.
Taguig City has the ball. Number 9.
Of the glass window.
Matake. Pinasa sa labas.
Tulap
Jump
game.
shot. No good. 16 again. Tulanda. Malakas pa rin. Nagawa ng bola. Finally, number 14 of Hawaii.
Offensive foul. Chris Baligod.
Number 16.
Pass.
Pinasa sa corner. Number 23.
Ah!
Again. 23. Bola ngayon ng Hawaii. 30 seconds.
Bam! 3 points.
3 points. Number 16. Makaya score 62-50. Taguig City. 16 again, setting the play. Corner pass. Bigla ng 3. In and out.
Put back shot.
Number 23. Good for
And here's
biglang atake.
step.
Pinasa sa gilid. Pinakamalit yung up shot.
Good goal.
Number 23 ngayon, ang mamadali. Long pass to number 9. In and out. Number 9 again.
Fade away shot. Bobby. Oh, pasok yan.
Right corner. Pinasa sa loob. 22.
Tata.
Nagawa ng bola. 11. Off the IB. 14. Side step.
Oh, back line.
9.
Sa
Bola
3.
ng 3. Malakas.
Side to Step reverse fly-up. Basket for two.
16, ginagawa.
Basket and one. Balikod.
Nimoyo sa taas, pero pinapos. 11 again. Bayaw. Pass.
Basket for two.
Malakas. Magawa ng bola. Nakuha pa rin number 9. Maganda. Good for two. Number 9. At last na tayo na ngayon. Again, number 16.
Basket for
Good
two.
for number 16.
And Lord, that's the end of the game.
Tie.
Congratulations. Team
Score
Tabuk
74-61.
advance to the finals.
We are Tabuk City.